Hello students, I hope you are fine. Today in this English class we will read and understand the poem The Road Not Taken. This poem was written by Robert Frost. It is a well-known poem of Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet and he had written many poems which are easy to understand. He had written very easy poem. But his poems are of deep understanding, and he had taken uh, ordinary and common experience of life. So, in present poem also, we will see that a very ordinary experience of life of a man. So, let's read and understand this poem. Yes, student, this is the poem The Road Not Taken. It has 4 stanzas and we will read each stanza and understand. So first we will take the first stanza. The roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, nowhere to where it bent in the undergrowth. So here the poet is actually telling you about uh, common experience of a man when in his life has two or more options and he has to choose one only. So what kind of situation he has to face. Here poet is actually telling that once he was standing on the place where are two roads and he had to select one only. And as a traveler, he stood there for a long time. He thought for long that which road or which path will be better for him. And when he looked down one road, he had found that that road had bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth means that dense growth of shrubs and herbs and other plants. So here are some words that diverged. Diverged means separate from a route and go in a different direction. And yellow wood. Yellow wood means here we can take this jungle or the forest which is having yellow timbers. So here the poet is telling that two options are in front of him and he was actually thinking about the better road for him. Second stanza, then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So here the poet is telling that he had selected the one road and he had thought that this road would be good for him. So he had selected the first one. And why he selected the first one? Because he had seen that it was grassy. Grassy means that means no people had walked there, so it was looking grassy and grass were not damaged. And the road was wanted wear. Wanted wear means the road was unused. The road was actually new, so he had selected that road, the first one. But he knew that when he walked upon that road and he would feel that both the roads were uh, same. So after that also he had selected first road. See the third stanza, and both that morning equally lay in leaves, no steps had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Here the poet is telling that day, in that morning, he found that both the roads were same, they were looking same, and he had found that they were unused and no people had walked upon that. So he decided suddenly he decided that he could select the second one and first road he would kept for he would keep for another day. But he knew that these two roads will be connected the same road afterwards. Last stanza, I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Here ages and ages means after many years, hence means in future. So he had taken a long breath, and he tells here that after many years, if somebody will ask him about his choice, then he would feel proud, and he would tell that he had selected the less traveled path, and that make difference in his life. He had not selected the common road, and he would feel proud that he had made himself different from others. So this is the poem of Robert Frost, and it is the famous one. And the central idea is that man always having in his life two or three options, and what situation he faces in his life, to choose only one out of two or three options. So I think you have understood this poem. Thank you.